That's the deflector alarm. That's something that Jim recommended for me on my trip to Alaska. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna move the switch from the right side to the left side. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to do those little details before the trip. The car was finished like right there, like basically 2 days before. And I had on those 2 days to change the tires, raise the coilovers, go over the fog lights, everything. So it was too many things to do. Now I bought an aftermarket switch to put it on the other side, and it's going to be more convenient, of course. Let's get started with this. So this is where we have the switch. And we're going to move that switch all the way to there. So I'm going to use this little space, and I bought an aftermarket switch to get this done. Okay, we're gonna of course empty this previously, open, go with a pry tool and just gently remove this. And that's it. Okay, so right here there's two little tabs, one here and one on the other side. We're just gonna push them and push, and we have our opening ready for the new switch. Block everything from here, because I will need to modify this area. I need to make it a little bit bigger. Well, and this is it for today's video. We have the switch installed on the left side. Easy to grab, easy to reach. And if you guys learned something on today's video, or you have any comments or suggestions, please just write down below. And I appreciate you guys can just hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more content